Hi, kids. We're making a pizza, and we already started our pizzas, so we started, kids.
What have you done? What did you guys do so far?
We've got the pizza dough, we put the sauce on all that, and cheese. Yep, Scarlett put some cheese on hers, and we are just. And next is the pepperonis and the bacon. I'm going to that and get my juice. Oh yeah. I'm running in mine.
You guys put butter on yours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Where are you going?
My juice. The last time we make a pizza when no one here you were here.
You forgot the cheese, bro.
I don't like cheese.
No cheese on the pizza?
Nope.
Straight pepperoni, eh?
Thank you, Nana. I'm gonna make a person. Under his ears and mouth.
Ready? I'm gonna do this and you spread it out, okay?
You like my person?
Very nice.
Here's his eyes. The bacon's his mouth. Here's his ears.
Okay, very nice.
And I'll just take a regular pizza.
Scott, what are you going to put on yours?
Cheese.
Just cheese?
Not yet.
Bacon. Pepperoni.
Make sure you spread it out, Brayden. You gotta think about how the pieces of pizza are getting cut. Okay? So,
Well, I got this.
alright. Drop one here. You're gonna eat them all or you're gonna put on the pizza?
Yours is looking good, Scarlett.
Sure,
Yours
Brayden, finish the
looking
pepperoni.
great,
Let's go.
Brayden.
I put some bacon
Here,
on
put
it.
it all, ready?
Oh,
You gotta shake it.
there's the oven's ready. 350.
One spot.
Finished.
Did you spread it out? That looks good, Scarlett.
This looks very delicious.
great,
Here, let me get a
Brayden.
picture
Yep.
of you smiling
I
with
got-
your pizza. Not a pizza.
I'm just gonna put this pepperoni in.
What's Nana putting on her
I
pizza?
don't know. Just their leftovers of what was left in the thing.
Leftover butter and parm.
I'm gonna put my bacon there.
All right, we can get one in the oven.
Why don't you put it
On.
put them both at the same time?
All right, this part's for adults, kids. Ooh, hot.
Ah, yeah.
What? You got what?
That's some things.
Leave it there, Brayden. Leave it there.
We're making a pizza.
Now, Brayden's.
Liberty.
We're gonna have to watch them because one's on the lower rack, and probably about 15 minutes on them. Ooh. All right, come by.
No.
No?
They gotta see us eat our pizzas.
It's gotta cook.
gotta
We'll be
cook.
back.
We'll be back in just a second. We gotta wait until our pizza's cooked. Bye, kids. Until later.
How they coming along? Good? Ooh. Oh, the cheese is starting to get nice and melty. I think my phone, you can see how they turned out. Ooh. Put a little light on it for you guys. Ooh. Scarlett's. Brayden. Now this is getting ready to go in.
It's in the oven.
It's already in the oven. Ooh.
That's not mine.
Hey!
Pizza's ready.
Hi guys, our pizza's ready! Dear Jesus, thank you for this pizza. Amen.
Good job, you guys.
Well,
Fantastic.
is it good? You didn't even take a real bite.
Smiles, everybody.
Well, how'd you do? Great.
All right, we're gonna enjoy dinner. Thanks for joining us for pizza night.